How to add subtitles in Davinci Resolve 18. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now, in order for us to get this done, I want you to go over here and then go ahead and right click Add Subtitle Track, and then I want you to click the subtitle track that you have added and then go ahead and click Create Caption. Now, this time I want you to put this wherever you think necessary and then go ahead and resize this one as well. Now, in order for us to edit the subtitle here, we are going to click it, and here I'm just going to go ahead and write the dialogue here. There you go. And then if you want to change this one, you can go ahead and click the track, and then here go ahead and click font, and you should be able to see here different options. So go ahead and choose the best one that fits with your video. Say for example like that, Verdana and bold. Next is the color. I'm just going to go ahead and click this one, and then I'm going to choose, say for example, yellow. Okay, click OK. And then for the size, you can go ahead and basically make this bigger just like so. And then if we are going to go ahead and scroll down, there is a stroke here that is actually a default. You can go ahead and increase that one, but in my case, I usually don't like to use it, so I'm going to set the value to 0. After doing so, you have different options here such as transform, drop shadow, background, subtitle settings. You can just go ahead and choose to apply which one is necessary. Now, if you want to add a new one, go ahead and click caption, and then go ahead and scroll down. You can go ahead and click add new, but this time make sure that you are going to drag the playhead into the part where you want to add the new one. So I'm going to click it. There you go, and then go ahead and resize this once again, and then go ahead and change the subtitle here. And that is how to add subtitles in Davinci Resolve 18.